Want to get control of your family budget in 2024? I've got you covered. Let's break it down in 5 easy steps. First, know your total family income. This includes not just salaries, but also any side gigs or extra money coming in each month. Knowing exactly what's coming in is the foundation for any budget. Next, track your expenses. Write down all your essential costs, like rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and childcare. Don't forget to include things like subscriptions, transportation, or any debts. Having a clear picture of where your money goes is crucial. Now, set your savings goals. Make them realistic by aiming to save at least 10% of your income. Start with an emergency fund so you're prepared for unexpected expenses. Then focus on other future goals like vacations, home improvements, or college savings. A great way to balance your spending is by using the 50-30-20 rule. This means allocating 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. It's a simple guide to make sure you're covering essentials while still enjoying life and saving for the future. Finally, review your budget monthly. Life changes, and so should your budget. A regular review helps you adjust for any new expenses or shifts in income, making sure you stay on track. Follow these steps, and your family budget will be in top shape for 2024.